As a smartphone user, you always want to get the best out of your device. These wishes of you range from getting the best performance, the best battery life, the best user experience, and the list just goes on. Hey guys, you are watching Unfold Tech, and today I bring you the 5 tips that you can implement to get the best out of the Android smartphone you own. Number 1 in the list is our all-time favorite one, swiping up, down or left, right to kill our recent tasks running in the background. Should we do it? No. We must stop killing our background tasks. We might think doing this reduces the stress on our smartphone CPU, thus increasing the performance of the device. It is actually the opposite. Android OS is smart enough to identify the apps that you are currently using and the ones that you have opened 2 days back and never went back to use it since then. The OS automatically kills the apps not in use for a long time and keep your active apps loaded in memory. This helps your smartphone by not taking all the resources it needs like CPU, GPU, battery power each time you launch an app. Keeping your tasks in background actually helps your smartphone use a lot less of the smartphone resources, thus preserving the performance of your device in the long run. The second one in the list is the use of memory cleaner apps. You must stop using your memory cleaner apps every now and then. All those flying rocket and sweeping animations might look cool, but they are actually increasing the overall workload and stress on your smartphone. They consume a lot of battery by constantly pushing notifications of memory consumption and boosting. All these cleaner apps will simply keep erasing all your cached memory and stopping background processes every time you take them in use. Cache memory is the memory where all the necessary contents of your recent apps are stored. For example, when you load a web page in your browser, the basic layout and icons of the web page are stored in cache memory. So the next time you visit the web page, the layout and icons will be ready to display, reducing the consumption of data. Although you might use the native cleaner feature that comes in almost every smartphone nowadays, once or twice a month to clear up your cache, as the cache memory takes up your internal memory to store the content. But do not use them every other hour. Next up is the auto start feature of the apps you take into use. You should prevent the auto start feature of your apps, as this feature will keep your apps running in the background as soon as you switch on your device for the first time. The apps use this auto start feature to constantly pull information from the server for pushing notifications every now and then. This significantly consumes a lot of battery as the apps never stops working. The next one is similar to the auto start feature, the sync option. The sync option allows your social media apps like Facebook and Gmail and Outlook to look for any new updates like new email in your inbox and friend request and prompt you through notifications. Keeping your sync toggle on in your device takes a real hit on your smartphone's battery. I mean, you do not need updates every second on Facebook or Gmail. You can keep your sync toggle off and manually check all your notifications once you open the apps. This will significantly improve the battery life of your device. The last in the list is keeping your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS off when they are not in use. All these connectivity modules take a lot of your battery resources when we take them into use. GPS in particular is a beast in eating up your battery juice, so turn them off after the job is done. Thank you for watching Unfold Tech. Please hit the like button if you like the content and make sure to tap the subscribe and notification bell if you haven't already.